For you. I came back only for you.
You liar.
And I have a plan.
Why did you say Kurdistan?
When you go back home and when you start. Oh my guru. Oh my guru.
What the heck, man? 10 o'clock I want to start.
How are you? How are you?
Ruby,
Take my bag. Hey, take my
Hey.
like that Turkish note. Hey, bring it. Hey.
I will kick your bag. No.
No. Any funny things happened in between?
Really?
I'll show you my vlog. You will be surprised.
Oh my god. People here are so nice, but we have a problem.
What's the problem?
They kicked me out.
Really?
Yes.
The host? Salam, Khubi. How are you? Albin. It's my man. Albin.
Cheyenne.
Hindustan.
Hindustan, Swiss.
Who kicked you out?
Our host. I mean, not kicked out. I will tell you story.
Okay, so let's go have some food.
Yeah, but I think they said we can stay somewhere one day with them.
Here?
No, like home, I think.
Okay. Cool. Well, let's play football for some time.
Yay.
Salam, Khubi.
Yeah, yes, alright.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Salam. Keep running, yeah. Yeah.
Go have some food.
Okay.
Yes. Then we come back. It's okay if we leave the bags here.
Bag here, okay? Bag.
Is that okay?
This is friendship.
Okay.
Okay, like
We can keep it here.
Dana وسائل كان اللي رادانا. لا.
No? No problem. No problem. But he said no. Okay.
yeah, but those guys are always here.
Yeah.
You know, the guys who are in charge of the.
No one has to practice it.
We have to.
Was away. No one is here to practice here.
Okay.
You're here.
Why just people?
Yeah, but it's okay. I can just leave it somewhere.
Nothing, only dress. Bus. Dress.
No, they will be here.
No money, pull, no.
No.
Camera, no. Bus.
No camera.
No bus.
Just
Bus dress.
dress.
Okay.
No problem.
No problem. No problem. Yours?
Keep it inside, yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Pull the
Here.
or here, yeah.
This room.
Okay.
This room is here.
Okay.
Come on.
This room is here.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, you take it back. We'll cut you to around. Really
What
want.
time are you coming back?
Within 1 hour. We'll have food. Come. Food. Yeah.
Food come. Okay.
Okay.
Kebab. Here. Okay.
The street 21 meters. To bag of boys and food.
Okay. All right.
Look at this.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
You. Hi, my friend.
Sorry. Asbush. Ah, okay. No problem. Khudafis. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So we're in trouble. She said it's very far.
Yeah, I mean, maybe she meant the city center. It is far.
Let's walk there and find. Or check in maps me.
Like, there is a restaurant somewhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
Khaili.
You're very young.
Driving?
Driver, huh?
Driver.
Welcome to Kurdistan.
Khudafis. Bye bye.
Nice here.
Yeah.
Kurdistan.
I regret for sleeping in Yas for 3 days.
Huh?
I regret for sleeping 3 days in Yas. We should have utilized those days, man. We were so lazy.
No, I mean, if you have gotten,
1 month? Yeah,
which
of
is
course.
wonderful,
Yeah.
most of
Maybe somewhere here. But then why did she tell it's so far? Let's ask this guy maybe.
Let's go to the university.
Okay, but let's ask him. Salam.
Salam, free.
Khubi. Food.
We're looking for food. Food, restaurants. Restaurant around here.
Uh-huh.
No. Come on. Yeah?
You'll take us? Thank you, thank you. I'll come the other side. Khayli Mamloon. Thank you so much.
How are you? Where are you from?
Hindustan and Swiss.
Swiss and Hindustan. India.
India. Kurdistan is very nice. Good weather.
Can you speak loudly?
What is the best food here in Sanandaj? Food.
Food?
Yeah.
Pizza, sandwich.
No, local. Your Iranian food.
What food?
Like Iranian food. Like we had Mirza Ghazemi in north, in Shamal. Yeah.
In the rush.
Yeah, in Rash, in Tonikabur.
He wants to try
Kurdistan food.
Local food. From Sanandaj.
Yeah, we have tried Kalli
You're
Pache.
telling me traveling for 2 years?
Yeah. He has been traveling. I'm traveling for like 2 months now.
2 months.
Yeah.
You're
40
really
days.
rich, man.
No, he's not.
Full nether, my friend.
No money, my bro.
I travel without money. Without money? Yes. 30,000 toma one day for food. That's 30,000 toma for everything. For 1 day, 30,000. I think so. You are Iranian. Me or him? Me? Both of you.
Both of us. Yeah, he's from the north and I'm from south.
Both of you.
He's Shomal and I'm Junub. I'm from Bandarabas. I'm Bandari.
It looks like,
Yeah. Now whoever asks me, I say I'm from Bandarabas. Then they will be like, why are you not speaking Farsi? I don't know Farsi.
You should be speak Arabic.
Yeah, we are of Arabic. We are of Arabic.
We are so hungry. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Hungry. Yeah. Doesn't matter actually. We just need food. I know. I understand.
Yeah.
Cheap food.
Cheap food. Yeah.
Cheap and
Full
good.
Nazarene. Cheap and best. Sandro, did you see Kurdistan people with their local dress?
Yeah.
I didn't see. I saw some on the way today, but
This is a good restaurant.
918.
Also closed.
Green. Is it closed?
It is closed. This is not closed.
Sandro നിനക്ക് അടി മേടിക്കും.
دولما كشوامجا قيمة كويت ولا الصوزي ولا برنجو لوبيا أدس إيش معناها؟ أدس
വലിയ റോഡാണ്.
I will show her the money like 100.
Okay. Ash, yeah. Ash. How about Ash, Sandro?
Pool 100,000, 10,000 Oman.
That Oman.
ده تليفوني
That Oman.
ده كمان دولما
لا. What you have?
get for this?
دي
What 10,000? What? Yeah.
أنا
Ash.
عاش كاسة هنجزار أم
دا.
دتمنى دو كاسة عم بوقع مين كوني بيعين؟
The beast Oman.
لا كانش
5 bus. Ash. She told only 5.
Yeah, but it's very small.
Very small. Yeah.
We would need something
Yeah,
else.
more. Yeah. Let's go somewhere and come back.
260 is it's a lot for
Yeah, it's a lot.
for the subs.
We had corn sabzi for 100. Yeah. Let's go and come back. Yeah. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ കുർദിസ്ഥാനിലെത്തി കേട്ടോ. Mamnoon mama, Mamnoon. No problem. Is that Kurdistan dress? Kind of. ഇതാണ് ഇവിടുത്തുകാരുടെ വേഷം. Salam, Khudi. I don't think there are more restaurants.
let's go and ask for the
Sandwich? Yeah. So we met Sandra again. Oh man, I'll miss you after 2 days.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Without Sandra, without internet.
Yo man. Yeah, it will be. Tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow I'll be here full day.
Full day.
Yeah. For you. I came back only for you.
You liar.
And I have a plan.
Why don't you say Kurdistan?
When you go back home and when you start the Russia thing, call me.
Yes.
Russia, Mongolia.
Russia.
If you think I'll be a good partner.
Russia. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go for sandwich now.
Sandwich.
Salam. Hello, hello.
Hot dog, burger, sandwich.
Ayo.
Yes.
You want hot dog, a burger?
Full checker.
قیمت
قیمت؟
لا 13000 13 14 15 السلام عليكم.
Is it Toman or Real? Toman, for sure. Yeah.
تومان 14000 13000 15000
Okay.
خوش مثلا 7
Like
8
this.
بعد 22 ماس
22. 22. 22. Yeah.
عملا خوشمزه
خوشمزه. 22. What is that? What is that?
هاتاك همبرگر پیتزا جامبون مخلوطه.
Okay. Mix of both.
ميكس ميكس.
What is this?
13. More?
What's this?
More?
Pizza, not sandwich. Pizza sandwich.
Pizza sandwich.
Pizza sandwich.
For you.
For me, pizza sandwich.
Same. Do pizza sandwich. Do pizza sandwich. My boss decides, I just follow him.
You like going to
I never-
Municipal.
I
Yeah,
never-
yeah, to yourself go for the same. You don't-
That's why I come with you, man. ഞങ്ങൾ ഫുഡ് അടിയെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞ് ലേറ്റ് ആയി. ആ പയ്യൻ ഞങ്ങളെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നിൽക്കുകയായിരിക്കും. He told us to come there at 4:30 and the coach told they will leave at 5. Now it's already 5:10.
It's like in the morning, you know. Let's start at 8. Okay. We start at 12.
Oh, man.
Look, it's nice.
Yeah, it's really good.
Beautiful.
A mountain view and all. Thanks to Sandra again and again for taking me to Kurdistan, Hamadan, to the north, everywhere.
Academy
Nafo.
Academy football.
Football academy. Show him, Sandra, the map. Sandro, what is it? So we are taking a U-turn. Sandro, you're not a good navigator. Don't say that, man. I have to upload this on YouTube. Your mom will watch this.
Can you do me a favor? Every time I say a swear word on YouTube, you beep like that. Beep.
Okay. So when you open your mouth, I'll be like beep.
When I say something bad about India, beep 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 beep.
Oh my God. He knows the song, man. Everybody in Iran knows this song, and surely. And the characters in the name were everybody. Gandhi?
Ölgüye mene. Ha ona dostlar.
Dostlar. Likes Gandhi a lot. What about you, Sandro? Do you know who is Gandhi?
Gandhi is the football player. Beep.
No. Take it.
Mommy.
Khaili Mamnu.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. They're still here. Salam. We are back. All good. Who's the other guy? Salam. Khubi. How are you?
We
All good. Did you meet him?
No. Are you?
Hindustan, Swiss, tourist. Thank you. All good, yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Mamnoon. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay. Let's we'll meet them. Hey, man. Sorry we came late. It's okay.
Now it's smaller kids.
Let's have a look. വലിയ പിള്ളേരുടെ കളി കഴിഞ്ഞു. Full my travel. Then I upload it on YouTube.
It's so exciting.
Yeah, you can see yourself on YouTube. Yeah.
You have a song.
Sandro, do you want to play? Oh.
We cannot play.
നമ്മുടെ സാൻഡ്രോയ്ക്ക് ഇന്നലെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഹോസ്റ്റനെ കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നു. സോ വെൻ ഐ സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് മൈ ട്രിപ്പ് ഫ്രം ഹമദാൻ, എൻ്റെ പ്ലാൻ ഓക്കെ വി ഹാവ് എ ഹോസ്റ്റ്, ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ടു ഹിസ് ഹോം എന്നായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഇവൻ എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടി വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു ഫുട്ബോൾ അക്കാദമിയിൽ. ബട്ട് വെൻ ഐ കെയിം ഹിയർ ഹി ടോൾഡ് മീ ഐ ഹാവ് സംതിങ് ടു സേ മാൻ, വി ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് എ ഹോസ്റ്റ് ഹിയർ. അവൻ അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങി കാരണം ദേ ഹാവ് സം പരിപാടീസ് ടുഡേ. സോ ദേ ടോൾഡ് സാൻഡ്രോയോട് ക്യാൻ യു ഫൈൻഡ് സം അതർ ഹോസ്റ്റ്. Then he was waiting for me football academy. Then he met this guy. He was training there. Sorry, ഞാൻ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് കാണിക്കാം നിങ്ങളെ. അവൻ പറഞ്ഞു സാൻഡ്രോയോട് യു ക്യാൻ കം ടു മൈ പ്ലേസ്, വൈ നോട്ട്, പോരെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. ദെൻ പയ്യൻ പറഞ്ഞു നേരെ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ പോരെ, എൻ്റെ വീട് താമസിക്കുക ഇന്ന് രാത്രി. ഞങ്ങളും പറഞ്ഞു വൈ നോട്ട്. കാരണം നമുക്ക് നെറ്റോ വൈഫൈ ഒന്നും ഇല്ല പുതിയൊരു ഹോസ്റ്റനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ. സോ വി ഫൗണ്ട് ദിസ് ഗൈ. സാൻഡ്രോ പറഞ്ഞു കുർദിസ്ഥാനിൽ വെൻ യു വാക്ക് അറൗണ്ട് വിത്ത് യുവർ ബാക്ക് പാക്ക് പീപ്പിൾ ഓൾവേസ് വെൽക്കം യു ഹോം. വീട്ടിലോട്ട് പോരെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. അങ്ങനെ ഇവൻ ഞങ്ങളെ വെൽക്കം ചെയ്തു. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പരിപാടി ഇവൻ ചോദിച്ചു എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്ലാൻ ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു ഞങ്ങൾ പ്ലാനൊന്നുമില്ല. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ നേരെ എൻ്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്ലാസ്സിലോട്ട് പോവാം, അവിടെ കുറച്ച് നേരം എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒക്കെ ടൈം സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ദെൻ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ഹോം. വി വർ ലൈക്ക് ഓക്കെ. Sandro, why are you not vlogging? You told me you will start vlogging.
Should I start vlogging, start Instagramming?
Yeah, everything.
Do you say that? Instagramming?
Sometimes. Yeah, you can use that word. In social media, you can use whatever you want. Facebooking. WhatsApping.
Twittering.
And here in Iran, Telegramming. I don't use Telegram, but here in Iran.
Maybe I start with when I go for my.
Yeah, when you go to Iraq, you should start vlogging. At least for me. Yeah, don't cut the videos. Just make long videos and upload. I'll watch it, man.
Should I?
Yeah, I'll be the only one subscriber and I'll make comments every day. Oh, Sandro, keep going.
So if you watch my videos forever, like over and over again, I make some money.
Yeah, you will. But no, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000. Are you okay? And 4,000 watch hours. It's not easy, man.
Yeah, but the thing is big. You can make some advertising for
Yeah, of course. You can tell all of your couchsurfing friends, please watch my channel, guys.
Well, Switzerland people, they don't
have time.
I mean, my family friends would watch, but
again, when it comes to the quality of your content, I doubt your family will not watch it.
I can make a ton clickbait, dangerous situation
in Iraq. But when they open it, you're having falafel.
Do you want to take a taxi up to my restaurant?
How far is it?
It's not far, but it's late. I think it's better. Yeah, it's better.
Okay. Waiting for a taxi. I think we should make a music album, man. Waiting for it. I hate taxis. Very. ഇറാനിലെ വളരെ ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൊരു സ്ഥലമാണ് കുർദിസ്ഥാൻ. അങ്ങോട്ട് പോരുന്നാണ് പലരും ഞങ്ങളോട് പറഞ്ഞത്. പക്ഷേ ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ വളരെ സേഫാണ്, താമസിക്കാൻ ഒരു സ്ഥലം പോലും ഇല്ല എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ് കവാൻ ഞങ്ങളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങൾ വളരെ ഹാപ്പിയാണ്. ഇത്രയും ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആയിട്ടുള്ള മനുഷ്യരോടാണ് ഇവിടെ. കുർദിസ്ഥാൻ്റെ കൂടുതൽ കാഴ്ചകളും വിശേഷങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കാം. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുഡ് ബൈ.
Clubs?
Yes, clubs.
Who put this?
Me.